Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change a headlight bulb on a 2005 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R, the C1H model. Just last week I had the bulb blow, so it's about time that I changed it. I'm just going to show you how quick it can be done within 10 minutes or less if you've got the right tools. I'll take you through them now in a second as well. And for anyone who's not DIY friendly or mechanically minded, it's really very simple. Alright, so you're looking at pretty much all you're going to need here for this one. You've got your H7 bulb, that's all it takes. And you need one of these Allen key or else a hex type socket for the job. I've got a big draper set here with lots of different bits in it. I've also got a set of Baco 3/8, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my DeWalt impact driver to loosen the nut. Okay, so I'm just going to take my hex bit, put it to my drill, and let's go and remove the nut. Okay, so you should be able to see here, just to get into the back of the headlight, we just need to remove this piece of plastic cover here. There's only one bolt actually holding it on, and that's just this one here. So I'm going to take the drill now and just remove this one. And to just pull this up, I'm actually using the bike on a paddock stand at the moment just to keep it upright and straight. And what I'm going to do is it allows me to move the handlebars back in and out of the way as I work on the bike. So just going to move it forward like this while it's still all nice, safe, secure. And we're going to just pop this panel up so you can see it comes up so far and then it kind of gets a little stuck. There's actually rubber grommets under here with plastic studs. So once you remove, there's two of those, one here and one at the front. So lift up the back one first and then slide it back towards the back of the bike, and then that's panel free. Just going to set that aside. You'll just be able to see in here now, this is where that black cap, that's where the dip beam bulb is. So we're just going to have to turn this anti-clockwise. You can see there's a bit of space there for where to get your fingers, get a good grip on it. Tight. And there we go, that's the cap. Now you can see in there we've got access into the back of the bulb. Okay, and then in regards to what to move next, you can see there's this black connector on the back and this metal spring. So what we need to do first is, this is the power and earth on the bulb. We need to remove those from the back of our H7 bulb. So I'm just going to grab it either side, wiggle it off. It's a bit fiddly, this part. There we go. It's it off. So I'm just going to move that aside, out of the way. See there. And next you can see the way this clip springs off. So it's just press it in and shove it up towards the sky, and then you can release it then. And that's our bulb released. So I can just take the bulb out. Alright, let's compare these. Okay, you can see in the image there, the old bulb on the left had blown fully, and this is the new one on the right. So H7 bulb. You can see from this image of the bulb here that there's actually, it's a different shape on the top there. We've got to try and line that up with the way the holder is. So that's basically the top there. I'm going to slide the bulb in the correct way now. Okay. So once the bulb is back in, we're ready to go and close the pin again to secure the bulb in place. Just like that, slide it in to make sure it's good and solid. Give it a bit of a wiggle there. Yeah, seems to be all good. And now we're ready to just replace the electrical connector once more. Okay, and once you're sure that the bulb is in place and the connector is on, it's all looks good and secure, you're ready to go and just replace the cap again. Don't forget this. Now all I gotta do is fit the last piece of trim plastic. By the way as well, you should be able to feel the grommets pushing into place. Get the front grommet in first and then sit it down to make sure you get the back grommet in. Okay, and the very last thing to do is remember to refit all your fairing bolts. Alright, so that's it. Now all we've got to do is try start her up and hope for the best. That's it, job done. And that's it, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful and you'll be able to do the job yourself, no problem. If you guys found the video helpful, I really appreciate it if you wanted to like and subscribe, or let me know in the comments down below if there's any suggestions. I'm finally in a position now where I can start making more of these videos in my garage and hopefully be able to bring you guys some more content, some decent content really, about what I get up to the evenings and weekends between all my cars and bikes and that kind of thing. So that's going to be it for me today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.